Hi and welcome to Cheekyricho Cooking's mixed grill cooked in the Ninja Foodi. We've preheated the Ninja Foodi to 260 degrees Celsius and we have included a time of 12 minutes. It's already preheated. We're just going to add our food according to the instructions on the front of the Foodi. Okay, we've got 20 grams of butter and 20 grams of oil. We're going to add some barbecue seasoning and mix it together, melt it and brush it over our corn and our steak. So we're just going to melt that in the microwave for 10 seconds. Okay, just give this a little bit of a mix around. The oil will stop the butter from burning and the butter will give everything a gorgeous flavour. Now, before we put it into our Foodi, we're going to brush everything liberally with our spice and oily butter mixture. Now, I showed you these little mushrooms in the past. They aren't going to be turned over. They actually have Basil Pesto inside them, pushed well down into the little veins inside the mushrooms, and that will give it a gorgeous flavour. They'll toast a little bit on the top. Turn that over. And do the same thing on the other side. And we're going to brush it with our oily butter whilst it's being cooked, just to baste it so it doesn't dry out. Make sure you get some of those herbs on there. Right, it's going to add our food now, which we're going to do. You'll see there's plenty of room here. Steak in first. You hear that? Corn next. Mushrooms. Sausages, if you pop them against the sides, they'll actually cook on the bottom and the side as well. And our zucchini. Bacon goes in last thing because it's going to be very quick to cook. And close a lid, that will cook for 12 minutes, we'll keep our eye on it. Okay, after 6 minutes you can see how lovely and brown everything is getting in here. Sausage has got a nice bit of colour on them. Brush our corn so that it doesn't dry out. It's fresh corn, it's not frozen corn. And we're going to pop our little zucchinis over as well. Because the sausages are right against the edge, they've actually got a bit of colour from the side and the bottom as well as the top. So that's giving them some nice colour. Turn your zucchinis over or courgettes over. They'll get some nice grill marks and you'll see the steak is cooking beautifully. The courgettes will take a little bit longer to cook than what the steak will, but we'll take that out and allow it to rest in keeping with normal meat cooking practices. So just don't keep basting this from this point on because you'll be introducing, cross-contaminating your food. The Foodi stops counting down while you're basting your food, so you never have to worry about whether you've cooked it long enough. Close it down again. Okay, with 4 minutes to go, we're just going to drag our steak out. It's perfectly cooked and allow it to rest. Bacon goes in there now. Keep that in a warm place. Bacon in. It'll get some nice marks on it as well because I've brushed it with the butter. You see our grill marks on our zucchinis. They're starting to get quite soft now. Sausages are doing their thing, as you'd expect. And this is going to be dinner cooked in 12 minutes. 6 minutes is up. Let's serve this yummy dinner up, shall we? A steak, a mushroom. Look at that beautiful corn with a bit of burnish on it. Oh, beautiful and soft. There you go, Snaggy boy. And Richo's having his with some chocos or chayotos that he prepared earlier. There you have it. Yummy, yum, yum, yum. Look at that. Beautifully cooked in 12 minutes. I love my Ninja Foodi Grill and I love my mixed grill it makes. Thanks for watching.